Integration of trigonometric functions. Let's have some flashback. The first derivative of sine x equals cosine x. The first derivative of cosine x is negative sine x, and the first derivative of tangent x equals secant square x. Based on the definition of integral, we will have that the integral of cosine x dx equals sine x plus c, the integral of sine x dx equals negative cosine x plus c, and the integral of secant square x dx equals tangent x plus c. In the past, we have learned that the first derivative of 1 over a times sine ax plus b when a is not 0 is 1 over a times cosine ax plus b times the first derivative of ax plus b. Simplifying this will give 1 over a times cosine ax plus b times a. Simplifying this will give cosine ax plus b. The first derivative of 1 over a cosine ax plus b when a is not 0 is 1 over a times negative sine ax plus b times the first derivative of ax plus b. Simplifying this will give 1 over a times negative sine ax plus b times a equals negative sine ax plus b. Based on the definition of the integral, from here we will have the integral of cosine ax plus b dx equals 1 over a times sine ax plus b plus c. Here a is not 0. The integral of sine ax plus b dx equals negative 1 over a cosine ax plus b plus c. A is not 0. Example, try 12. Find the following integrals. Part A, the integral of 5 cosine x plus 7 sine x dx. Part B, integral of 9 over cosine square x minus 3 dx. For part A, the integral of 5 cosine x plus 7 sine x dx equals the integral of 5 cosine x dx plus the integral 7 sine x dx. So using the constant multiple rule, we'll have 5 times cosine x dx plus 7 integral sine x dx. Based on the definition, we have that the integral cosine x dx equals sine x plus c, and the integral of sine x dx equals negative cosine x plus c. So we will substitute the value of the integrals. We will have 5 times sine x plus 7 times negative cosine x plus c. Simplifying this will give 5 times sine x minus 7 cosine x plus c. Part B, the integral of 9 over cosine square x minus 3 dx equals the integral of 9 over cosine square x dx minus the integral of 3 dx. Because 1 over cosine square x is secant square x, so we'll have the integral 9 secant square x dx minus the integral of 3 dx. Using the multiple constant rule, we will have 9 times integral secant square x dx minus 3 times integral dx. We will substitute the integral of secant square x dx equals tangent x plus c. So we will have 9 times tangent x minus 3x plus c. Example, try 13. Find the following integrals. Part A, integral of sine 4 over 5x plus cosine 9x dx. Part B, integral of 15 cosine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 dx. Let's start from part A. The integral of sine 4 over 5x plus cosine 9x dx equals the integral of sine 4 over 5x dx plus integral of cosine 9x dx. We will work on the integrals one by one. The integral of sine 4 over 5x dx equals integral of sine 4 over 5x plus 0 dx. So now using the formula of sine ax plus b dx, so we'll obtain that a equals 4 over 5 and b equals 0. Substitute the values of a and b into the formula. We will have negative 1 over 4 over 5 cosine 4 over 5x plus 0 plus c. Simplifying this will give negative 5 over 4 cosine 4 over 5x plus c. The integral of cosine 9x dx equals the integral of cosine 9x plus 0 dx. So we have the formula, the integral cosine ax plus b dx. Just substitute the value of a equals 9 and b equals 0 to the formula, so we will obtain the integral will be 1 over 9 sine 9x plus 0 plus c, or 1 over 9 sine 9x plus c. So the integral of sine 4 over 5x plus cosine 9x dx equals negative 5 over 4 cosine 4 over 5x plus 1 over 9 sine 9x plus c. Part B, integral of 15 cosine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 dx equals 15 times integral of cosine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 dx. So we will work on the integral of cosine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 dx. So based on the formula, of cosine ax plus b dx. So we'll have a equals 3 over 2 and b equals negative pi over 3. And then substitute the values of a and b into the formula. We will have the integral of cosine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 dx equals 1 over 3 over 2 sine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 plus c. Simplifying this will give 2 over 3 sine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 plus c. So we'll continue our calculation. So this will give 15 times 2 over 3 sine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 plus c. Simplifying this will give 10 sine 3 over 2x minus pi over 3 plus 15c. Because 15c is also a constant, so just write c. Here is the other example. The depth of water at a pier at time t hours after midnight is y meter. It is given that dy dt equals negative pi over 3 cosine pi t over 6 and y equals 5 when t equals 1. Express y in terms of t. Here is the solution. So dy dt equals negative pi over 3 cosine pi t over 6. So based on the integral definition, we'll have y equals integral of negative pi over 3 cosine pi t over 6 dt. Using the constant multiple rule, we'll have y equals negative pi over 3 times the integral cosine pi t over 6 dt. And we will work on integral of cosine dt. The integral cosine ax plus b dx equals 1 over a times sine ax plus b plus c. Now we will have the integral cosine at plus b dt, which is 1 over a sine at plus b plus c by substituting the value of x to be t. In the question, we have the integral of cosine pi t over 6 dt, which is the integral of cosine pi over 6 times t plus 0 dt. So from here we obtain the value of a is pi over 6 and b equals 0. Now we will use the formula, so it will be the integral of cosine pi over 6t plus 0 dt equals 1 over pi over 6 sine pi over 6t plus 0 plus c. Simplifying this will give the integral cosine pi t over 6 dt equals 6 over pi sine pi t over 6 plus c. Now we will use this value and substitute to the calculation. We have the y equals negative pi over 3 times 6 over pi sine pi t over 6 plus c. Simplifying this will give negative 2 sine pi t over 6 plus c. So we have worked that y equals negative 2 times sine pi t over 6 plus c. When t equals 1, y equals 5 based on the question. Now we substitute the values of t and y. So 5 equals negative 2 sine pi times 1 over 6 plus c. 5 equals negative 2 sine pi over 6 plus c, because sine pi over 6 equals 1 over 2, so we'll have 5 equals negative 2 times 1 over 2 plus c. 5 equals negative 1 plus c, c equals 6. So the depth of the water at the pier is y equals negative 2 sine pi t over 6 plus 6. Stay at home, tetap semangat!